Okay, so this is the mass spectrometer, second trial. We have the filament glowing here. We have the two focusing ring hooked up to about, well, right now nothing. Over there we have a phosphor. And by the way, we fixed the vacuum problem. We're down to 1 to the -4. So now we have electrons down there because to increase the filament voltage and move this this magnet around. You can see a blue dot flashing on the phosphor. So these are our electron being accelerated and deviated by the magnet. So it's working. The positive here is working for electron. Positive here is somewhere around 10,000 volts. So here we fixed the vacuum problem. So it's a great progress.